Number 7, gumagawa. Jumper. No. Tinamaan ang backdoor. Next. Number 3, steal. Balik kay number 7. Babawi? Yes. Babawi si number 7. Everyone. Number 2. Wow! Pero that is short of a ball. Number 7, sumasalaksak. And that is foul. By number 7. That is foul.
Number 10.
Number 10. Shoot.
First personal foul.
First personal foul.
First team foul.
First team foul by the M. Cluster 6. Gumagawa na ulit ang Embo. 1. Bucket para sa Embo 1. At nadagdagan na ang kanilang lamang within 19 points. Ang cluster 6 ay gumagawa ulit. For 3. Wala. Oops! Isa pa para kay number 2. No, hindi talaga. Pero isa pa para sa cluster 6. And that puts our lead into 17 points. Number 3, for 3. Tama? Ba, wala. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, sinalaksak.
Nagwawala sa ilalim ng ring.
Nagpakilala na!
Sinalsal bago pinasa.
Number 4. Wow, what a layup by number 4, everyone. No? And number 11, gumagawa. Tinitake ang kanyang time para ipasa kay number 6. And that is not a good shot. Number 2, oops! Steal naman ng Embo. At isa pa, oops! Isa pa. Talagang, wow, wala. Okay, oops! Isa, tinapon ang bola sa front court and no, wala. And that is out. Bola na naman ng Cluster 6. Substitution.